Okay, so now we can see that Visual Studio has automatically generated this project as a starting point. And what we are seeing right now is basically this Tensegrity component class, which is going to be our Grasshopper component later on. So we are going to go step by step through the whole content of this class, but before that, we are going to rename our class. So what I want to do is to write the word component first. And the idea is that now, okay, and you can see that the name of the class has also been automatically updated here. So the idea behind this is that now we are dealing with an actual Visual Studio project, let's say. So this is our Solution Explorer, and this is going to start growing really quickly when we start adding additional components and so on. So this way, if I rename my classes or my components this way, they are going to be grouped all together because Visual Studio is sorting our classes in alphabetical order. Okay, so now let's get back to our class. So of course, the first thing that we see is that this class is inheriting this Grasshopper component class, which is finding in the references that we selected with our extension or template. And the first thing that we see is our constructor, of course, and the arguments that our constructor needs is basically the name of our component and where it is going to be located inside of Grasshopper. So let's change this. The name is right, of course, Tensegrity, and as nickname, let's use something else. And this should be the description of our component. And again, our goal is to make our Tensegrity object compatible with Kangaroo 2. So we are going to integrate it instead of the category K2in, which is the plugin, of course, this extension of Kangaroo 2. And we are going, as this is the subcategory, so we are going to create our own subcategory. Let's say 6 design upgrade, something like that.